To kill an unruly blackberry bush, first, place some trash bags or tarps on the ground around the plant to catch any pieces that fall so they don't take root in the soil. Then, use gardening shears to cut back all of the branches and stems on the bush. Bundle them up in a trash bag and dispose of them, making sure no cut pieces have fallen on the ground. Next, use a shovel to dig up the entire root ball and dispose of it in a trash bag. Use a cultivator fork or deep spade to till the soil, which will help break up and kill any roots that are still underground. Then, cover the area with a sheet of plastic followed by 4 inches, 10 centimeters of mulch to smother any remaining roots. If you're not able to manually remove your blackberry bush, there are also herbicides you can use to kill the plant. Try spraying the bark at the base of the bush with triclopyr to kill the blackberry plant. Alternatively, you can apply a foliar-based herbicide like glyphosate to the plant's leaves to kill it.